Hello, my name is Josie, and I am going to tell you about my experience with the LadyBoss Weight Loss movement. And I am also from Oregon, so shout out to fellow Oregonians here in the rain. So my life before this challenge was a lot of sleep, a lot of emotional eating, stress eating, and eating out of boredom. I love to eat. It's my biggest thing. That was my biggest problem. And I hated working out because I always just thought working out was cardio, and I don't like breathing hard. I'm sure a lot can attest to that. I wasn't happy. I slept all the time. I had no energy. And since starting, which it's only really been 3 weeks, but my life has feel like I'm a new person. I've lost inches, which has been phenomenal because I fit into most of all my jeans now that were too tight to button, and I never wore jeans because they weren't comfortable. And I'm awake more. I feel more awake, and I'm awake more. I'm a lot more happier, and I'm a lot more self-confident in myself, whether I can see the changes or not. I feel better about myself, which in turn has actually bettered my relationship with several different people, including my boyfriend, because I feel better in myself, so I can better be a positive person for other people in my life, which has been amazing. And my favorite thing about the Lady Boss Weight Loss movement has to be the support group. I have no motivation to do anything, and I go on there and I see all these amazing ladies so supportive and all the progress they've made, and it just motivates me to go to the gym, be the best I can be, eat right. I love how I have a plan when I go to the gym, and I know what I'm going to do because there's instructional videos for me to watch, so I know what I'm going to do. And it's honestly just been such a moving thing for me in my life, and I feel better about myself than I ever had, and it's only been 3 weeks. So this is my Lady Boss testimony, and I swear by it, and I will never leave it because it has been so miraculous for my life, even in just 3 weeks.